So this program po is about Python list and different list po ng Python. So let's start. So ito po yung list ng employee. Then yung unang line po is ito po yung mga current active employee. Then ito po yung main list employee. Then yung transfer employee. So ito po yung function para po mapakita yung menu. So, yung header, HR employee. So, number 1 is add employee. So, dito po yung magdadagdag ng employee. Next naman, edit employee. Dito po yung babaguhin yung name ng employee. Then, delete employee. Kung tatanggalin na po ba yung employee. Then, next is transfer employee. So, yung list po na ginamit dito is extend. Next is insert priority employee. So, dito naman po is yung ilalagay mo kung saan po specific yung position po ng employee. Next naman is remove resign employee. So, buburahin yung nag-resign na employee. Then, next naman is pop last employee from 10th list. So, aalisin yung huling employee na nasa temporary. Clear test list. So, dito po is i-clear or buburahin po lahat ng employee. Find employee index. So, dito naman po is yung hahanapin mo kung saan po yung position ng isang employee. Count employee by name. So, aayusin list alphabet. Bibilangin po ilang beses lumabas yung pangalan sa list. Sort employee alphabetically. So, ayusin po yung list ng name ng employee by alphabetically. Reverse employee list. So, babalik na rin lang po yung order list. Next is copy employee list. Yung ikakopy lang po niya yung employee list. Show current list. So, ipapakita po yung current list na nakalista. Temporary list. So, ito, temporary lang. Then, ito yung main program loop, which is my choices na 0 to 14. So, if choice po is 1, ito po yung sa add, yung mag-add po ng bagong employee. Next naman po is yung edit, which is i-edit po yung current employee name. Then, next po is yung delete. If choice 3, delete. So, kung existing na po yung name ng employee is pwede po siyang i-delete. Transfer. So, extend. Dito po is idadagdag yung mga na-transfer na employee. Then, sa choices number 5 naman po is insert. Like, kunwari po,